Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. Today in this video tutorial, we will learn what is a reference graphic object. That reference graphic object is a very useful feature that allow you to reuse existing graphic symbol or object in the multiple panel without duplicating them. A reference graphic object is an instance of another original graphic object that we call a template, and instead of the copy the original object, WinCC create a reference to it and mean its display and behave exactly same like the original graphic, that is our graphic template. So let's see how we can configure it in the WinCC OA. So in the previous tutorial video, we developed this graphic. So we'll use the same graphic as a template. So I will just copy it. After that, come here in the object, right click, add a new panel. And here I can write like the my pump. So pump object, I will just write the pump. For example, I will write pump 0. Okay. And then double click and I will paste it the same object that we already created here in our previous tutorials. So here, as you know, we already linked this here, the change color property we added here, and we will, okay. And what else? Okay, so here we just add the change color property, and now here also I want to add this text also. Okay, so the first I will to make my this pump dynamically, come here. I will select this circle and come here, press the Control F and click here over the replace. So we will replace this M001 with the dollar sign, and we'll put any of the name and plus and double quote. So click here, replace all. It's replace all of the object. Okay, so save and close it. And we'll also change this text property also. I want to dynamically put this text name here, and to modify that I have to change this text. Okay, so to modify this text property, I will click here and I will write here, press tab, this dot text equal then dollar sign, and here I will write pump name. So whatever I will put it in this here value, that same value I want right here. I will just click here. Here it's giving me the syntax error. So now I will check. No syntax error. Save and close it. Here I will align, like I will align center. Whatever the text I will put it here and click OK. Now here I also want to add, for example, the speed also. So if I want to add speed, I can, for example, put it here in the text field on the top. I can write it. I will put it here the transparent background. Okay, and okay, and here I will add the tag to put the unit, that is a hertz motor speed. Okay, this is my motor speed, and I will link this, for example, display value. I will select this display value and click here to link my motor speed, feedback, value, speed, and click OK. And then just move to next and click finish. Okay, now I will also link, I will make script dynamically, Control F, replace. I will replace this M00 with the dollar sign PMP plus and double. Replace all and check no error, save and close. That's it. This is our reference graphic master object is created now. Now I will just close it and I will view all object. I will come here in the object. Here is my pump template object. Now I will just select, drag and drop here my this template. So here I have to pass two of the parameters. First parameter I have to give my data point element. So this is my data point element. Click OK. Secondly, I have to put it here the name of my pump. For example, I will write pump dash 01. I put the string value, click OK. And similar manner, I will create one more object, and here I will give the reference of the my second pump, and I will write here the name like pump dash 02 and click OK. So I will remove it, this one, and I will just link my this graph object like graphic instance. I have adjust. It should not overlap. Okay. So that's it. Just save it and we'll come here. We'll change the screen. And right now, here, if I will change, for example, if I will change, run the pump, first my pump. So here you can see now once the value is changed from field, my pump is running. That is I create through the instance. And here, if I want to like the change speed also, so here you can see the speed is 12 right now. If I will modify 47, so here you can see accordingly. And here the text property I also put it. So it's also accordingly whatever I put it, it's coming here. For example, if I want to adjust here, I can see the my text is a little bit overlapping with the second pump. I will just adjust my text. So I will come here in the my master template, and here I will just little bit adjust. Okay. Okay, perfect. And save it, close it, and now if once I change the screen, so now you can see I just change my screen. After that I just readjust at one place. I just readjust in the master template this text, and is perfectly reflecting in my all of the instance graphic object instance that I created. So Alhamdulillah, we learn in this tutorial video how we can configure a reference graphic object template and instance in the WinCC OA. Thanks for watching this video.